Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable blind signing on Trezor Suite step by step clearly. To disable blind signing on Trezor Suite, begin by opening the Trezor Suite application on your device. Connect your Trezor hardware wallet if you have not done so already. Enter your PIN to unlock your wallet. Once inside the Trezor Suite, navigate to the Settings section. You can find Settings in the sidebar menu on the left side of the screen. In the Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on the Security tab to access various security options. Scroll down to find the blind signing option. You will see a toggle switch next to blind signing. Click the toggle switch to disable blind signing. A confirmation message may appear asking if you are sure you want to disable this feature. Confirm your choice by clicking Yes or Disable as prompted. Once disabled, Trezor Suite will no longer allow blind signing for transactions. To ensure the changes are effective, you can navigate back to the Security tab. Check that the toggle next to blind signing is now turned off. Finally, safely disconnect your Trezor hardware wallet from your device. You have now successfully disabled blind signing on Trezor Suite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.